If you're looking for pendulum wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 pendulum wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Seiko watches. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Chaney instruments. Number 3, by JUSTIME. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by HDC International. Number 5, by Seiko watches. Find these pendulum wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Victorian Trading Company. Number 7, by Seiko watches. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Seiko. Number 9, by Seiko watches. Discover more pendulum wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Bedford Clock Collection.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.